Hey guys!
Welcome back to VLU. Today, to make it up for y'all for not doing a video in so long, we're gonna do the ultimate mega slime challenge.
So how this works, we have our waitress and she is going to bring us either a bad thing or a good thing under a bowl. So,
And speaking of waitress, our waitress today is Nora.
hi.
Okay, so we have our glue in our bowls already.
Clear glue.
Yes, we're using clear glue. And so we each have a turn on saying if we want to keep our plate or switch our plate. So the first person gonna decide that is Veda. So if she wants to keep, she'll keep. If she wants to switch, we have to swap. And we'll see who ends up with the bad slime at the end. And, we'll just find out. And y'all can comment which one is good.
Okay.
So right now, okay. Veda, would you like to switch or keep?
I think I'm confident because it's the first round. I'm gonna keep.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. You got the flour.
I'm putting flour and white glue, so
I got the paint actually, which is good. Okay, so
bad and good. So
let's do this.
I'm not putting all of it because then it's gonna I don't know what it's gonna look
Okay.
like. Just about that much. Probably good. Ew, it's like making a dough.
Ew, that's really gross.
Ew, can you see this?
Mine looks like mustard.
Mine looks like old porridge stuff.
Mine is a very, very bright yellow.
Mine is a very, very weird mushy. It looks like, oh, smell this. It smells sour.
Oh, okay. It smells like a sourdough.
Waitress, come here.
And I know that because I
Look.
bake, but
Look what you did. Look what you did to me. Smell it.
smell it, Nora.
She did
Yeah,
that to me.
Smells bad. Okay, well, I have now a yellow slime, and let's get on with round 2.
Okay, waitress.
All right, on with round 2. So Nora is now going to bring us our second plates, and it's my turn to decide if I want to switch or stay.
Okay, please don't mess this up for me.
I had good luck on the first round, so hopefully I have it on the rest. But you were like, I'm confident on this first round, so I'll just keep it. And then you got like the worst thing ever.
Yeah, thank you.
I heard that flour can mold slime.
I know. That's why I'm not keeping this for a long time. I'm just gonna kind of. I
Okay,
don't even know.
come on, Nora. Okay,
What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Please, please, please don't.
I'm gonna be confident and keep mine since it's only the second round. I think that I'm gonna keep mine.
You are?
I think I'm gonna keep. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Another bad thing!
I got the what is this? Oh yeah, soap. This is soap. And soap is good in slime. She got the paper towel.
Thank you, waitress. Boo!
Okay.
Yeah.
I think this is bubble bath actually.
I'm
It
just
smells like
gonna-
bubble gum. Also, it smells nasty too.
This. Okay, I like that. This kind of smells like salt and vinegar chips, and I don't like it.
Okay, sometimes paper towels can be good in slime, but sometimes they're bad and
They're horrible. I don't like them. I don't like them. Okay, that's all I'm gonna add. There you
Okay,
go.
so far mine is really good, and my favorite color is yellow. So I think I'm good right now.
Mine's chunky. Chunky. Very
Okay,
chunky.
so this is mine. And let's go on with round 3. All right, on with round number 3. And so far, I love mine.
And so far, I'm still sniffing my horribleness.
I don't want to ruin this. It's so good.
I don't care
Such
what I
a
do.
pretty yellow. All right. Also, right now, while we're waiting for our plates to be here, you need to hit the like button And do not forget to subscribe. So you better subscribe. I'm telling you, if you're watching this, haven't subscribed, you better subscribe, okay?
Turn the red button gray.
All right. Thank you.
My turn.
Are you gonna trade or keep?
I want to trade this time.
Trade?
I'm gonna trade.
Okay.
For sure. I'm gonna trade. I want to trade.
Okay.
Okay.
We're trading.
First time trade.
I have a bad feeling about this because I've gotten 2 good ones, and then she's gotten 2 bad ones. So I think that I'm
I
gonna
have
get a
an
bad one
idea.
this time.
What if the waitress knew we were gonna trade? So then, or Nora, she was giving me a good one.
Anyways.
Thank you.
3, 2, 1.
Give me
I got the foam balls in Veda. What did
flowers. Thank you.
she has flour, baking flour, then she got actual flower
Flowers.
petals. Well, I'm happy about this so far. I can't believe that I've actually gotten a good one.
You be prepared, Lila. You be prepared. Oh, this is
Okay.
gonna be a
Okay.
horrible slime. I'm not gonna play with this a lot.
Okay.
I might just throw it away.
Okay. So I'm really, really happy right now. It kind of looks like puke with these foam balls.
Okay, no, this does.
If you don't like puke, close your eyes.
Okay, mine's even worse than that.
Sorry, the video cut off. But yeah, mine looks like kind of like puke, but it's okay. I mean, it was supposed to be good, but then the yellow in the ball didn't really. All right, so on with round number 4. Okay, on with round number 4, right?
4.
Yeah, that's what we said. Round number 4. So now we're waiting for our waitress to come and bring us the plates.
Can I leave? I don't like this.
No. Why? Okay.
I don't know.
I'm telling you, hit the like button. Okay?
Okay, Lila's gonna get
Like
mad.
this video. I mean it. Like the video, okay?
Oh, I did both of y'all bad.
Okay, then switch that. All right. A little delays.
Difficulties?
Yeah.
That's fine.
Okay. And at the end of this video, just comment down below whose slime you like better.
Yes.
Which would probably be mine, because I did not think that I'd end up with a bunch of good ones. But you can comment which one you like better.
Bring it on.
Okay.
What are you gonna do?
This time,
You should switch or keep. What? I don't care.
I'm gonna switch.
I'm gonna switch every single
Yeah,
time.
I'm gonna switch.
I'm gonna switch every single time. I'm gonna tell you that. I'm gonna switch every single
Okay.
time.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's gonna make it even.
She got the unicorn charms, and then I got the chalk dust. Okay, this is the bad one. And it's gonna ruin it.
Unicorns. Drowning.
Okay, well, here you go.
It's called pickle stew or sour stew because it smells horrible and it looks just horrible. So,
Okay. Mine is now green.
ew. Okay, Lila,
wait,
is gross.
It doesn't look too bad.
Look at mine.
I
Mine's
mean,
pretty. Mine's pretty.
Mine is
Mine's like
not
ice
pretty
cream.
anymore.
Mine's like ice cream. Okay, I like it.
Okay, it looks even more like puke. Guys, look at that.
My
That's
favorite
gross.
color is actually green. So,
Well, all right.
that green. You really like that green, waitress?
Let's just go on to
Yeah.
round 5. Okay, on with round 5.
Yeah. So
I'm disappointed. I really am. I thought I was going to get some good ones, but I mean, I did. I got 3 good ones, only 1 bad one. I don't know how many rounds are in this. Only Nora knows right now.
probably like
But
8 or something. I don't
let's
know.
get our plates.
My turn to choose. I'm gonna say, I did say I was gonna trade, but I don't know what I'm gonna do. I say, keep for this round.
Okay.
It's like keep trade, keep trade. I
Okay.
don't know.
3,
I'm gonna pick keep.
2, one.
Oh, yes!
I got another bad one. I got the mouthwash.
I got scent.
It's so minty.
It's either it makes it smell like more like vomit or it like doubles it out. Well, at least yours is gonna be less
Ew.
bubblegummy.
Oh my goodness, it's so gross.
Okay, this actually smells horrible.
Hopefully this activates.
Oh yeah, it's probably gonna be a very watery slime. I don't know what mine's gonna do, but it has flour in it. I've never ever in my whole life put flour in my slime like.
Okay, well, I can't like show y'all anymore very goodly because it's so watery, but it looks pretty bad.
I like this smell.
I mean, the mouthwash like evened out like blue, green, and yellow, made it like normal green, which is good.
Mine's still like this. Porridge.
Okay.
Old porridge. Take it away.
Take it away, waitress. On to round 6. Okay, let's go on to
Round 6.
round 6. Yes. I couldn't remember for a second. Okay. How's your slime going, Veda?
It's horrible and I don't even know if it's going to activate, but on the bright side, I have slime that I'm just going to throw away. So.
I'm pretty sure that this is going to turn out to be a good one. I mean, better than yours.
Okay,
So.
this is gross. I don't even know where we got this bowl from.
I was hungry before this, but now I'm not.
Ooh, I forgot one.
Just kidding. Okay.
Okay.
Let's
Yes.
get our plates.
What do you think? Keep, trade, whatever one.
For me,
You're going to trade.
I'm going to trade this time.
Okay, thank you.
All right. So, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Water.
Oh, I got the bad one.
Water.
It's water. Just water.
I got fishbowl beads, so here we go. I don't like fishbowl beads, but it will make this pinker.
Yeah, it'll make yours better. Okay. There's my water.
I'm not putting a lot. So.
I did not need water in this.
Oh, really?
It's already so watery.
Yeah. Joke's on you, waitress. I only put a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah. This is like gonna be water slime.
Yeah, hopefully it activates.
It's
All
not
right.
very pretty.
So, I'm just going to close that for you. All right. On with round 7. On with round 7. Let's go.
Chunky.
This
still.
is the last round.
Chunky to be playing with like flour.
I think our slimes are like pretty even right now because mine looks gross and hers is gross. So, let's see. Okay, let's bring in the
Wait.
plates.
It's supposed to be
It does.
whatever.
All right.
What do you think? Oh wait,
It's
it's
your
my
turn. It's your turn.
I'm gonna keep
Gonna keep. Okay.
or trade.
We're gonna trade.
I'm gonna keep.
Which one?
I'm gonna keep.
She's keeping. All right.
I guess keep.
3, 2, 1. Oh,
I mean, it was the last one. I felt confident, so
I got the bad thing again.
I got glitter. Start blue and green.
I got
Blue.
these.
Ugh. I said blue and green.
I got these like foam squares thing that are supposed to turn into that like. They're kind of like the instant snow stuff.
Like
for
they
your
melt.
slime.
They melt in your slime, and it's really.
But then it makes it so weird and chunky, so I don't use them.
That's why they're bad.
But there we go.
One and sparkly unicorn too.
I do not know.
You know, I don't really like unicorns.
I do not
To
know.
be honest.
You're more of like
you better.
she's more this kind of person, and I'm more of like this kind of person.
I don't like unicorns.
Okay, so our slime is very bad. Well, we need to activate, and you can take the plates away.
Okay, well my thing just fell in there. Wait, there you go.
Okay, hopefully our slimes activate. get to you in just a second when our slimes are activated. Okay, we have our slimes activated, and I'm not gonna lie, I love mine. Look at it.
Fishbowl beads are everywhere because
Beta?
that's why I hate them.
It's not that good.
Mine turned out to be like really fluffy, like a fluffy slime.
Well, mine is not very great, but it still feels nice, waitress.
Okay. Well, I just wanted to say thank you so much, Nora, for being our waitress in this. And hopefully you can be in another one of our videos.
Come on,
Thank
why
you
don't
so
you say
much.
bye with us?
So, thank you so much for watching this video. And make sure to comment down who you think won this challenge. We will do a video of just our slimes right after this. So, thank you so much for watching this. You better subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to like,
Share.
ring the bell, and the subscribe. So, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.